Guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes, and today I've got for sale this. It is a Honda CB1000R, and this one's a plus edition, so you get a few cheeky extras over a normal one. It's a 2019 19 plate, 5,240 miles it's done. Comes with Showa forks on there. Being a plus model, you get the seat cowl, you get a quick shifter, a few aluminium trinkets in there as well. Absolutely gorgeous piece of kit, retro looks, modern technology. You've got different power modes on these. You can adjust the engine braking, the power itself, the traction control system, and then you can go into the different modes. LED front headlight, it's got a tail tidy, single-sided swing arm, makes it look unreal. Anyway, let's give it a start up. Some great noises from that Hurric end can there. What an absolute belter. In order to get this purchased, all you need to do is simple things. Pop down to Jordan Bikes, send us a Facebook message, simply just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very, very fussy, and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in, and as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching, cheers.